So since about 6:30, this is all I've done. Done the rest of the bonnet, as you can see, with the rest of the car all nicely polished up, and it's actually come up not too bad. Don't think I've done a bad job. That's with a heavy cut compound I should say, with a red pad, a red foam pad all over. Cut it all back, got rid of all the nastiness and the crap that was on the car, on the bodywork especially. Years and years of dullness. Horrible, absolutely was. It looked like as if it was a car that had been left outside and abandoned. That's how bad it was. Well, as you saw when I done the half and half of the bonnet. On the passenger side of the bonnet, that was all nicely polished up. On the driver's side of the bonnet, that's how it was. That's how the whole car was, and it was absolutely disgusting. This ar, unfortunately, apart from Hassan, I'm going to give you a shout out there, Hassan. Apart from Hassan, I think the previous owners just haven't really taken care of it. But the fortunate thing is this guy, me, here, is going to maintain this car properly. It's going to get the maintenance that it deserves. Bodywork wise, it's all nice now until it goes in for paint, which will be hopefully sometime next year. The wheels are a bit to be desired, as you can probably see. They're pretty nasty, so they're going to end up being cleaned up as well, as best as I can possibly get it. I think they're diamond cut, but I'm not 100% certain. But if they're diamond cut, then obviously they're gonna, cost quite a bit to actually get done. But anyway, that's how the car looks now, after it's had its heavy cut polish. I will be going over it tomorrow with a finishing pad, which will be a green pad, finishing pad. Be going over it with sorry about the lighting, guys. Let me just go and turn the light on. Sorry. Alright, there we go. That's a bit better. Do apologise for that little bit of blackout. I should have put the light on in the garage a lot sooner. Now, I will be using either my Menzerner, or Menzerner I should say, 3-in-1, or my Zavisa MC3000 medium cut 1-step. I may very well just use the 1-step polish, the Menzerner 3-in-1. May very well use that, just to go over it with that 1-step polish, just to give it a bit more of a gloss. And then once I've done that, I will use my Easy Graphene Wax, or I may use my Ceramic Wax Extreme, again by EZ. And for some of you Americans that are probably looking at this, EZ. It's the British way of saying it. EZ, not EZ. EZ. And I have got some other wax here, if I've got any of it left. Into detailing ceramic crystal coating wax. I might even use that. I don't know yet. And I'm not too sure, because I've never done ceramic coating before. Not too sure whether to give it a go on this one to see what it ends up being like. But it's my Gion, if that's how you pronounce it. Q2 professional ceramic coating. I believe that's what it is. Yeah, ceramic coating. In actual fact, I won't be using that purely because I don't have any ceramic coating cloths, so I won't be doing that, which is a bit of a shame. But anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking note of this video. I don't usually do short videos like this, but I thought, hey, why not? I've done what I wanted to do with the car so far, and it's looking pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.